Today in Tunisia Cooking we are making a green peas sauce. It's a special Tunisian plate. We call it Ragoût Jelbana, and it's basically 3 cups of green peas, 6 artichoke heart, some lambs. You can cook it with chicken or beef. It's to your taste. Onions, 1 big onion chopped and half an onion on a bigger cut. Like I would like to feel the texture and to have some texture at the end result. So it's just a half an onion there. It's 1.5 onions. Some olive oil, curcuma, chili powder or filfil ahmar, like the Tunisian chili powder, which is a mix of spices too, and then parsley, tomato sauce, and some hot sauce or harissa. Always start by heating your pan and having hot water on the side, especially when you're cooking with tomato paste, because you want to keep the temperature at a high level to keep cooking the tomato paste properly. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna saute our onion and lamb on a hot pan. I sauteed my lamb for about 5 minutes. My onion is translucent and transparent. I'm gonna add some boiling water or broth if you'd like. If you're using broth, you could use the vegetables one, or if you find a lamb one, that will work too. If you're cooking with other protein like chicken or beef, you can use broth of chicken or beef. It's gonna make the flavor much more accentuated and it's gonna be delicious if you match with what you're cooking. So I'm gonna let my lamb cook for I'm using a pressure cooker, so I'm just gonna cook it for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients. My meat cooked for about 15 minutes under a pressure cooker. Now I'm gonna add all the other ingredients like my tomato, my harissa. It's 1 big tablespoon, like top tablespoon of tomato. It's just the way my husband likes it. I personally don't like the tomato on it, but because I'm making it to make him feel good, I'm making it with tomato. But I'd rather eat the one without, which is exactly the same except a little bit more onion on it. Like instead of 1.5 onions, you'll be using 2 big onions or 3 big onions, depend how much you like it. And that was my harissa. I'm adding some curcuma, some chili powder, my green peas. I'm using organic green peas that were in my freezer. So if you are in Tunisia or a warmer country, you will have the fresh one in the winter, but I'm just using those frozen one for now. My onion. We're just looking at the texture, so I'm gonna add a little bit of boiling water to it, just to show you how it looks like now. This is my result so far. This is how it looks right now, just after I added everything. I'm gonna add some boiling water, because when you cook with pressure cooker, you don't want to be, you want always to have 1/4 of it filled, and you want to have enough water for any legumes or vegetables to cook. cooked, and I'm gonna add my artichoke heart right now. And then I'm gonna let the artichoke heart cook about 7 minutes, and then I'll show you how it's gonna look like. Yummy on my tummy? Milk, is it yummy on my